Nursery cartoon love, journey with hoorah.
5 ducks, body ducks. 5 ducks in the kitchen where we whimsical. 5 ducks, body ducks.
And that, my
5
friends,
ducks
is the
in the
story
kitchen
of how
now
the spatula
twins. In
got
a
its
cozy
root
kitchen
back.
where laughter
A
sings.
lesson in
5
beaks
little ducks
true.
spread their feathery wings. With beaks aglow and eyes full of cheer, they waddled around, bringing joy near. First was Quack, the leader so bold, with dreams of adventures and stories untold. He splashed in the sink with a giddy delight, turning bubbles to clouds that danced in the light. Next came Dilly with her apron askew, whipping up cookies. Oh, what a view! She stirred flour like magic from ancient tales spun. As sugar cascaded, what amazing fun! Then Flap joined in with the spoon held high, conducting a symphony beneath the blue sky. With pots as his drums and pans as his stage, he danced round the counter a true feathered sage. Atop the fridge sat wise old Drake, with tales of the pond and ripples they make. Life's but an adventure, he quacked with a grin. Embrace every moment, let laughter begin. Now here comes Peep with a sparkly charm, a sprinkle of glitter wrapped all snug and warm. She twirled through the air like a bright summer breeze, transforming each corner into magical seas. But soon
that,
came
my
trouble,
friends,
oh
is
dear
the
me, oh
story of
my.
how the
A knock
spatula
at the
got
door
its
made them
root
all
back.
jump high. In
lesson
rushed a
in
cat with mischief ablaze. The ducks huddled close in bewildered amaze. Yet courage prevailed as they hatched out a plan. Together they plotted to outsmart that sly man. They quacked loud enough to echo through halls, and soon it was Cat who scampered and sprawls. So 5 little ducks turned mischief to fun in their bustling kitchen where memories spun through flurry scenes filled with giggles galore. Each day was an adventure worth laughing for more. 5 ducks, body ducks. 5 ducks in the kitchen, oh whimsical. 5 ducks, body ducks. 5 ducks in the kitchen, oh please. 5 ducks in the kitchen, oh please. 5 ducks!
Nursery cartoon love, journey with hoorah.